Hello, my friend. Today is a wonderful day, and I am working in my office helping another customer. So, while I'm helping, I want to show you another little trick what you can redesign the dresses. For example, like this. So, as you see, we have a V neck right here. So, she want to cover like 3 inches. So, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut 1.5 inches from the bottom, and we're gonna cover a little bit the front part. So similar video, you probably saw it on my YouTube channel. This is a little bit simpler, but another idea just in case. So let's get started. So as you see, we have the V neck right here. So she wanted to cover like maybe like 3 inches up, right? So we will cut from the bottom a little bit, 1.5 inches, and we will do similar redesign that we did before, with starting from here from 0 and adding a little piece of the same fabric, just kind of like to redesign it, but in the way that will look as the dress was made like this. So let's get started. So first, open all the top stitch from the bottom. Then I'll measure 2 inches from the folding line, or 3 inches total. So I'm gonna mark the line that I will fold, and then 1/2 inch the line I will cut the hem, and then we'll start next. The other trick to save time on measuring from the hem all the way, what I'm doing is, you see like the stitching line, so I mark and then I remember how far away should be from the stitching line, and I'm just gonna cut it all around same amount. After we cut, we're gonna fold 1/2 inch, and if you have cover stitch, you can use cover stitch. If you don't, just do as original, like serger and then the top stitch. So I'm gonna do serge first and then the top stitch. I used 4-thread serger. So if you have enough experience, you can use this guide here, or the easiest way is actually to use the magnet guide, and that way will be easier to hem the dress. Okay, so fold the hem. Let's say this is 1/2 inch. I'm gonna move just a little bit more, like 1/8 more, because when we're gonna do a 1/2 inch stitch, the stitch will be right on the edge of the serger. If it's easier for you, you also can stop stitch on the wrong side. That way you can see where exactly to sew the line. So because I have more experience, I fold and then I feel where is the edge, and then I know where the stitch is supposed to be. After we finish the hem, we press it very well, and as you see, it looks very clean and nice. First, I'm gonna measure exactly how long my piece have to be, the one we cut it from the hem. So here I cut the length that I need, so it's 10.5. Then I'm gonna fold just a little bit the tiny edge, and I will do a top stitch. Then I will mark 1.5 inch where our detail is gonna start. Then I'm gonna place them and play and see how exactly I want them to be. So before I take the triangle out, I'm gonna put pins exactly the line that is gonna be on the dress. Then we're gonna take it, and I will top stitch it the middle, right where is top stitch, so we don't have this opening. Now we're gonna serge 1/2 inch or 3/4 from the line that we marked. Okay, so our detail is ready, so we can actually place it back. And now we have to sew by hand, and don't forget the inside part, we will have to do a blind stitch as well. So our dress is almost done after we hand stitch in front and in the back side as well. our dress looks great. Far away you can't even tell there is a fabric, but we can see there is a line and it looks great so far. If you have any suggestion or question, please feel free to comment, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that helps.